Hey family, happy Friday. It's Herbalist Viola with Verywisealternatives. So guys, I just want to do 5 easy ways that just in 5 weeks you can change your diet. Or I don't even like saying diet. Change the way you eat, change and kick some habits. How about that? You like that? Just kick some habits. I know a couple of people was asking me to put a diet together for them. So look, before we get started, like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss the next video. But I want you guys to do, I'm just talking about how you can change your diet in 5 weeks. Just 5 weeks. I know you guys can do it because look, I know I'm trying to answer the subscriber questions. They're asking to put something together for them. Look, I know change is hard. It's change. Just doing a change. Just all I'm asking you to do is focus on what you can control. That's all. Just focus on what you can control and just let go of what you can't. So I'm just going to go through like 5 steps. 5 steps that you can do starting 1 week, 2 weeks, the third week, the fourth week, and the 5th week. So right now, so week 1. So for week 1, all I'm asking you to do is to add vegetables to each meal. So whatever meal you're going to have, make sure there's a vegetable. That's all I'm saying. Add a vegetable. It's not that hard. So for breakfast, instead of cereal and all that stuff, add a vegetable. You should be just eating berries. Now, if you're eating berries, what you can do is just have your berries and maybe like 20 minutes or 30, but really an hour after that, have your vegetable. So all I'm asking you is for lunch, add a vegetable. For dinner, you already have a vegetable, add another vegetable. So that's all you're doing. So week 1, we're adding the vegetables, and after dinner for the entire week, make sure you go on a 15-minute walk. That's all I'm asking you. 15-minute walk to help that digestive system. That's all I'm saying. That's one of them free doctors I keep telling you, the one I keep talking about. So look, add a vegetable to each meal and then go on a nice 15-minute walk. So for week number 2, what I'm asking you to do is stop eating fast food. Look, I know you like, what? Just stop eating fast food. That's all I'm asking you. You already survived week 1. So, you're adding a vegetable. So it's for week 2, ease off. Ease off. No fast food. So for that straight week, there's no fast food. So you already know if you do something for 21 days, if you got a habit you want to break, for 21 days, you can kick that habit. So what I'm giving you 5 weeks. So in these 5 weeks, like the first week is just adding a vegetable. That's all you're doing, adding a vegetable, and you're walking after dinner. That's it. So week 2, no fast food. No fast food. You can do it. Come on. You can do it. Take a bag lunch. Wherever you at, no fast food for that week. Okay? So that week, you still adding a vegetable to each meal. It has to stop. So week 1, you adding a vegetable and you taking that walk. Week 2, no fast food, and you're going to be doing some deep breathing exercises for that. All you're doing is you want to sit down. You can look on YouTube for some nice deep breathing exercises, because right now a lot of us do not exercise our lungs. A lot of us just taking short breaths, cutting it, just not getting all that good oxygen. You want to do some deep breathing. It's really meditation. So I want to make sure, because look, you already given up on that fast food. I know it's hard. So while you're doing it, just do deep breathing exercise. All I'm asking you to do 15 minutes. If you can do 20 minutes or 30 minutes, fabulous. So all I'm asking you to do is just max 30 minutes. Just do some deep breathing exercises, and you're going to see how awesome it is. Yes. So for the second week, you still adding the vegetables, you still going on that walking, and you're doing deep breathing exercise. All right, you guys can do it. You guys can do. Look, so for week number 3, we're giving up white bread. Yes, I said it. No white bread. None. No wraps. Unless you make the wraps out of flaxseed flour or any non-grain flour. Any non-grain. No corn, no. So no white breads. None of those types of of look, so what I'm about to say, it may sound crazy. You can use, if you're not allergic. Some people have allergies and don't know it. I'm just gonna tell you, a lot of guys, come on, yeah, I just don't know. A lot of you actually have issues with whole grain. But if you can, I'd rather you not, but you can switch to whole grain. I'm just saying, I'd rather you not. I'd rather you just switch to quinoa, or just go ahead and make you some flaxseed, or just switch and use like spinach, kale, cucumber, or a yam. You could take a sweet potato, cut it in half, and use that. Of course you want to cook it. You can steam it, you can broil it. You can have a cooked yam and just make that as your sandwich. Use that as your bread, substitute. Or you could take a cucumber, or you could take tomatoes and use that as your bread. I just want you to not use any white bread. That's basically, yes. And for that third week, what I want you to do is, please make sure you're getting them 10,000 steps in. Yes, 10,000 steps. So you're still doing week 1, you're still doing week 2, and you're doing week 3. Now, right there, after week 3, think about it. When we get to that 4th week, the first week will be easy. That first week will be easy. You wouldn't even think about that. Oh, I'm adding more vegetables. You'll notice your digestive system better. You'll know that you are going more. Look, you're going more. And week 2 is still going on. Week 3 is still going on, and up to week 4. So week 4, what you're going to cut out your snacks. I know you don't want to hear this, but for snacks, your snacks going to be fruits and vegetables. Yes, fruits and vegetables. That will be your snack. So during your snack time, yes, you're cutting out the chips, you're cutting out the Snicker bars and the candy bars and the Twizzlers. You're going to cut out all the things that you had as a snack, that cake, yes, that cake, that pie, and you're going to add fruits and vegetables. That's week 4. And with week 4, you're going to go to bed 1 hour earlier, because I want you to make sure you're getting sleep. I just want to make sure you're getting sleep. So going to bed 1 hour early. Yes, I said that. Y'all already know sleep is critical. You already know sleep is critical. I know you like Viola. This is going to be hard, but it's not actually, because just think about it. Week 1, what you're doing for week 1? Week 1, you're adding a vegetable, and you're doing a 15-minute walk. What you're doing for week 2? Week 2, you're going to stop eating fast foods. So as you stop eating fast food, you're doing deep breathing exercise. And deep breathing exercise is great. So for week 3, you're cutting out any white breads, whole wheat. You don't want to eat that bread. You want to substitute the bread. You want to just substitute the bread. It's really not that hard. You just substitute the bread. Yes, it can be a bear, but just substituting the bread, and you make sure that you get 10,000 steps. If you're good, I would rather you do 15,000 steps. Those who already doing an exercise. All right, so do between 10 to 15,000 just for that week. And you continue in this. This is going to be your normal lifestyle. For those who having issues and saying, I just can't do it. I don't know which way to go, how to do this. So I'm just showing you 5 weeks. Just do 5 weeks. You're going to see, make a schedule, put it on your calendar, and just pace yourself out. Just pace yourself out. You're going to start seeing a change. So for week number 5, so we up to week number 5, look. So week number 5, you're going to stop all sodas and no more sugary drinks. I know, but you guys, you can do it. That's all you got to do. Stop. Yes, stop sugary drinks, stop soda. And also I want you to increase water. I want to make sure that you are drinking water only for that week. No coffee, no tea, nothing, just water only. I didn't say anything about milk, nothing. For that straight week, just water only. I don't want you going buy a bottle of water. I want you to get reverse osmosis water or distilled water. You can add either fruits and vegetables to it, lemon, lime, or you could put some Himalaya salt in there, just a little bit. You could put some cayenne pepper in there, a little bit of tweak of peppermint essential oil or peppermint oil. I'm just saying. So that's what you have for week 5. That's it. So look. I'm just trying to show you how that you can help your body. You want me to put something together? No, because you don't want to eat like I eat. I love eating raw. I love eating raw fruits and vegetables because my body's different from yours. Meaning we got the same organs, but you don't have the same issues as me. We all do not have the same issues. We're all in different cities, different countries. We all in doing different things. So these are just five basic that you guys we all do. Think about it. We don't be adding vegetables. We need to. You need to add a vegetable to each meal. I mean, just think about it. Adding one vegetable, what it would do to your body, what it would do to your heart, your liver, your intestines, because vegetables sweep things out. So, and just think about it, especially the fast food. You already know what fast food does to you. We got clogged arteries and a whole lot of other things that I'm not going to go into. Main reason why, I want you to switch from that white bread, because we know what those grains and some of those things are doing to our body. When we eat too much of that bread, we just need to substitute, and you're going to see a difference. You're going to see a difference from just eating any kind of white bread and, those buns. So, if you can, whole grains, like I said, whole grains or not no grains. Use some flax seeds. You can make flaxseed powder and make some bread. You'll see a whole difference. And then, cutting out those snacks. You already know what the snacks do. And plus, you're going to save a little bit of money. And last but not least, the sodas and the sugary drinks. You already know why I'm saying that. So, look, just try it. Just try it, you guys. You're going to see a difference. But look, happy Friday. I'm not telling you what to do, but you can, look, you can keep continuing on probiotics and prebiotics. Just continue there. Just continue there, and still making sure you guys stocking up on water and all those other things that I tell you about the prep about. Don't think you can't still prep. Them gas prices are going up. Y'all just not paying attention. So make sure you prep. Make sure to listening to Lead Farmer, because he's sitting there talking about, if we do have lights, if our lights do go out, which are you ready? If we do lose that power, are you ready? If your water do go out, are you ready? So I just want to make sure I throw that in there. So that's some things you can do. So this Friday, what y'all can do is make sure y'all continue prepping and make sure you continue having what you need to have just in case of emergency. Just in case of emergency. But look, I'm Herbalist Viola. Just trying to show you five easy ways for that week, how to change your diet or how to change your eating habits, because I hate that word diet, but just change the way you eat. How about that? All right, family, you guys have a great day and enjoy your weekend. Bye, family.